It's day 2 of Athens DAO. Welcome to Deree, the American College of Greece.
Back at it again. A lot of students showed up to learn. People are getting $100 just to go to some of these classes.
We talked a lot about how to build different community, how this technology allows for that.
Quinn did spectacular with her talk. She talked about consumer behavior.
Really excited for what's going to be coming out of this. Any questions? It's day 2 of Athens DAO. Today I'm going to be on a panel talking about community and how to build community with brands. And then I'm going to be giving a 45-minute lecture on the basic principles of marketing with Web3 and this technology.
It's always an exciting journey riding public transportation, but in all honesty, it's quite reliable. Everywhere we go, we've never had a problem with it. And it's very affordable too. Don't forget that. Day 2, forward progress.
Welcome to Deree, the American College of Greece.
Back at it again. Oh, maybe we get a t-shirt today. Got our shirts. Oh, so stylish. Day 2 Athens DAO, much different than day 1 in the sense that a lot of the events that were going down were all classes. A lot of students showed up to learn.
We had over 500 registered attendees, students, professors, researchers, people who were just curious about it. I kicked off the day with a panel with 3 other amazing women.
My name's Quinn. I am a strategic advisor, investor, consultant, really all about collaboration.
We talked a lot about how to build different community, how this technology allows for that.
Yeah, there's a lot there. And what is the customer experience like?
Classes have begun, got all the IRLS set up in all the different rooms. People are getting money just to go in a class. For people who are interested in crypto, you can actually get paid to learn to earn. People are getting $100 just to go to some of these classes. This is why you gotta go and learn about what's being built, learn about where the opportunity is. Quinn did spectacular with her talk. She talked about consumer behavior, specifically looking at data and how on-chain data can be a powerful tool for any brands.
It's definitely going to be a part of the future for engaging customers, consumers, and engaging your fan base in a really unique, authentic way.
Any questions?
The students had lots of really great questions afterwards as well. The networking was amazing too. Really excited for what's going to be coming out of this. Hopefully it'll kick off a bunch of different other events, some partnerships, and maybe even potential curriculums in the future. Day 2 Athens DAO, huge success. That was so much fun. Can't wait for the next event. Highly recommend the next one that gets hosted. If you have a chance, come and check it out.